Hello again, my precious. I'm glad to see you again on my channel, and today we have a new video for you, a new lesson for you, and I hope everything will be clear for you. So let's start. Займенник, давальний відмінок. Pronouns, dative case. Yes, we continue talking about pronouns. It's the third case, so we talked about nominative, we talked about genitive, accusative. Yes, it's fourth case. Now, dative case. We have two more cases, and then we are going to talk about another topic. Even you can suggest, offer me the topic in the comments. So please feel free to do it, and I will make a video for you. Let's learn the role. Займенник, давальний відмінок, pronoun, dative case. Why it's dative? It answers the question to whom or to what I give something. That means dative, I give. So, let's start with personal pronouns. Я, I, мені, to me. Ти, you, тобі, to you. Він, he, йому, to him. Вона, she, їй, to her. Воно, it, йому, to it. Ми, we, нам, to us. Ви, you, вам, to you. Вони, they, їм, to them. And possessive pronouns. So, possessive, it means nominative case whose, чий masculine, чиє neuter, чия feminine, чиї plural. And in dative, чиєму. The same is with masculine and neuter. They're the same. Чиїй feminine, grammatical feminine, чиїм plural. So, let's look through this. Мій, твій, grammatical masculine, моєму, твоєму. To my, to your. Моє, твоє, grammatical neuter, моєму, твоєму. The same form. Моя, твоя, grammatical feminine, мої, твої. To her dog, maybe. Мої, твої, plural. Моїм, твоїм. To my, to her pencils. I don't know. Його, його. Її, її. The forms are the same as in nominative case. Наш, ваш, your, I don't know, your house, to нашому, вашому, to your, to our house. Наше, ваше, our, your, neuter. Нашому, вашому, to our, to your parents. To our, to your window, maybe. Window, вікно, grammatical neuter. Наша, ваша, our, your mother. To our, to your mother. Наші, ваші. It's feminine. Наші, ваші, plural. Нашим, вашим. Yes, the same. Our. Everything is our, or наш, наша, наша, наші, it's our in English. Ваш, ваша, ваша, ваші, it's your in English. And here the same, but to our, to your, and different genders, grammatical genders, of course. Then their. Everything is translated their or to their. Їхній, їхньому. Grammatical masculine, їхнє, їхньому, grammatical neuter, їхня, їхній, grammatical feminine, їхні, їхнім, plural. So, interrogative pronouns, хто, who, кому, to whom, що, what, чому, to what, який, which or what kind, якому, to which, to what kind, and it's the same but different genders. Який, якому, grammatical masculine, яке, якому, grammatical neuter, яка, який, grammatical feminine, які, яким, grammatical, it's plural. Whose, чиєму, чий, whose, чий, чиєму, grammatical, masculine, чиєм, grammatical neuter, чия, чиї, grammatical feminine, чиїм, plural. Котрому, which one in order. Котрому, grammatical masculine, котрому, grammatical neuter, котрі, grammatical feminine, котрим, grammatical plural, sorry. So, and вказівні, it's this, that. Yes, we talked about that. Starting with that. That, grammatical masculine, той, тому. Grammatical neuter, те, тому. Grammatical feminine, та, ці. Plural, it's those, ці, тим. This, grammatical masculine, цей, цьому. Neuter, це, цьому. Feminine, ця, ці. And these, plural, ці, цим. So, screenshot this from US, leave it, and we are going to go to practice to understand more.
Саня, друг, я пишу тобі лист.
Потренуємося. Let's practice. So here we have the exercise, and we have in brackets the pronoun, the adjective, and the noun in nominative case. And you put this video on a pause, write everything in dative case. About adjectives and nouns, please watch my previous videos. I will leave the hint somewhere here or in the description below for your comfort. Watch it before doing this exercise. Do this exercise, and then we will check together. Відповідь. Answers. So let's check our exercise. So, я хочу відіслати лист моїй гарній подрузі. I want to send a letter to my very good friend. Моїй гарній подрузі, this girlfriend, feminine friend. So, моїй гарній подрузі. That's grammatical feminine dative. Батько заборонив його синові виходити на вулицю після 20-ї години. Father forbade to his son to go out after 8 o'clock p.m. So, його синові, grammatical masculine dative. Він подарував квіти твоїй молодій мамі. He gave flowers to your young mother. Grammatical feminine dative. Твоїй молодій мамі. Ти позичив гроші її доброму знайомому. Did you lend money to your good acquaintance? Grammatical masculine, but її it's her. Yes? So, dative. Ви показуєте квартиру нашим друзям. Do you show a flat to our friends? Нашим друзям, plural, dative. Я купив нові спортивні костюми вашому сину і вашій дочці. I have bought new tracksuits to your son and your daughter. So, to your son and your daughter, to your son grammatical masculine, to your daughter grammatical feminine, dative case. Викладач дає зошити цьому студенту і цій студентці. The teacher gives exercise books to this student and male student and to this female student. First case grammatical masculine, next case grammatical feminine, dative. Я показую фото нашому викладачу. I am showing a photo to our teacher. To our teacher, this grammatical masculine, dative. Юра телефонує його батькам та його сестрі. Yura is calling to his parents and his sister. Його батькам, his parents, it's plural. Yes, his sister. Sister, it's grammatical feminine, but його, it's his. So you see, it's dative case. Він часто пише листи його родині та його друзям. He often writes letters to his family and his friends. Plural, dative. Декан говорив про екзамени іноземним студентам. The dean taught about the exams to foreign students. Here we don't have a pronoun, I don't know why. In this exercise we don't have a pronoun, but we have a dative case of adjective and a noun. Іноземним студентам, foreign students. Я пишу листа моїм друзям. I'm writing a letter to my friends. So here again, plural, dative. Вона допомогла перекласти речення її подрузі. She helped to translate their sentences to her friend, female friend. It's grammatical feminine, dative. Мама читає книжку моїй маленькій дочці. Mother is reading a book to my little daughter. Maybe my mother, I don't know. Моїй маленькій дочці. Grammatical feminine, dative. So I hope you have done this exercise correctly. Everything is correct. If you don't understand something, write me in the comments and I will try to explain again. And please write your ideas in the comments for the future videos. I have my own program, but I am really happy to do the videos for you. So give me your ideas. That's the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you've enjoyed it immensely like me. Have enjoyed doing it. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below. And if you like this video, give this video a huge thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe and to share this video with other people who want to learn Ukrainian. And we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye.